You had her until you didn't. You just went flying W right off of there. Broken chest protector. Well, you won't do that again, will you?
No.
Probably will. Come on, pick that iron horse up. Can't just let her sit in the snow. She's gonna be mad at you. Pass. She's coming to get in front. Oh, he's trying. No, sir. Shut the door on him. Here comes Vaughn. Close to her, and if you get where you think you might be able to, you guys come into a turn that has 2 turns and you're kind of really close to her, try and go right in the inside and pass her.
So pass her?
Again.
Okay.
She'll check up, but she sees it. That's how passes are made.
We'll see how it goes. Pretty good. That was awesome. Now try and give it a little burp of gas off it.
that thing. It's your turn.
Okay, my turn. After you guys made it look so good.
It's in gear. Be careful. All right, folks. This is the best part of the video. Well, it's always the best part of the video. Let's see what she does, guys. Oh, here comes Heather. Coming in hot. Come on, Fawn. Good, good, good. Yeah. Yeah. Ah, Fawn's been at it for a long time. She acts like she's never done this before, but she's done it once. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, look at her old. She's crazy. Good old Kawasaki. Followed by the 150 Honda. Do 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 do. Here she comes. I want to see some air. How was it?
It was really good. I got a little bit scared the first time.
Just keep going over it, hitting it, and then start jumping it. Like, okay. Yeah, I'll get right on that. Here comes Heather. Now they're starting to race. This is gonna get good, folks. Hope you're all tuning in there. Because this is the time things start getting crazy. Here she comes! Go faster now! Not bad, not bad. They're quick study, these girls. Actually, girls are easier to teach than guys. For some reason, they actually listen. It's the strangest thing. I never did understand it. Doing so good. Look at that. I am impressed. Pretty fun out here. I hope you guys do the same stuff. Because this is great. What a great way to spend a Sunday. Oh, Saturday. Yeah! You're doing great. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Here she comes. Oh, she's getting better at it. I should add a log. I really should. I have one positioned right there, conveniently located, to step up the level of technique involved to do this. Go, go, go! Here comes Heather. Coming in hot. Oh yeah! Whoa! Oh, land casing the second log. We're getting pretty pro here now. How's the logs?
That was so much fun. That was my first time jumping logs. That was actually
You enjoyed them logs, eh? Heather really enjoys the logs.
Sorry?
She really enjoys the logs.
You want to do it on my bike? I want to watch how you do it.
Okay, I'll try your bike.
Still in gear.
Oh.
Oh my.
Welcome to the Kick Too Much Club.
That was awful. The Cat Kickstart Club.
Best I could do on this bike.
So what's the difference between my bike and your bike?
As
far as jumping the log.
About 10 years. Mine's about 10 years newer. And mine's a 2-stroke, so it's just a complete different power package.
Yeah.
But everything else is pretty much similar.
Do you like your bike?
Oh, who doesn't like these? Here, I'll take it around the track.
Yeah, you bet. I love this bike. I can't.
Press your electric start button.
Welcome to the Cat Kickstart Club.